Meaning of Freudian.
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 Freudian. Freudian refers to the theories and ideas of the famous Austrian psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud. The term is often used to describe something that is related to the unconscious mind, repressed desires, or hidden motivations. For example, a Freudian slip is when someone accidentally says something that reveals their true feelings or desires. Freud's theories have been highly influential in the fields of psychology and psychiatry, and continue to be studied and debated by scholars today. Overall, the term Freudian represents a complex and nuanced approach to understanding the human psyche.